Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today is my birthday. I'm in my Lola's house. This is my
Hello. Hello.
papakilala.
Ako daw. Ako.
This is my auntie.
This is ako.
This is Raya.
Hello.
First we need to cook the chicken.
Welcome my vlog.
This is now the pancit, guys. It's very yummy. We are now going to put the chicken. Hello vlog. I'm preparing my fried chicken. Hello vlog. I'm preparing my fried chicken today for my birthday. All my cousins.
Birthday ko yung Indigo.
Thank you.
Aka.
Adi mad. Nangumbog to nga guti.
Tapos yung Willa.
And this is the outside of our house. There is my Lola. My other aunties making food.
Ada gini, mesti Kamil. Ada ya karne.
Oh, ya karne. This is the chicken. My uncle. Guys, we are done preparing our food. We're just waiting for my grandmother to come home. There is
Ako na.
Maria Josep kay